Winter or summer, the life goes on. Something coming from the inside, preparing something unseen, spreads its wings and flies also to something unseen. At least that's how life looks down here on earth. It's so cold that the wings seem like icicles, and the icicles seem like winter wings over the whole existence. Birds of water on ice, waiting for a water with waves and fish and hot wind and the warmth of the sun and the desire of a partner. It's so cold that you can freeze only looking at the ice. It's so cold that you can build your wings from ice and you can rise above the cold. But do not get too close to the sun. The Eurasian coot, Fulica atra, gathered the feast of melting ice. Dice, dice. Life like a die delivered on the earth, with only one winning side, or maybe not even one. And everything is just an illusion that feeds the pride of a much greater power than we can understand. A power that exists in everything seen or unseen, or just a power that we invent from fear of absolute loneliness. A power that sees, understands, and participates in all this wonder of life, or just a blind power. A power frozen in eternity and the indifference of suffering. The great egret, Ardea alba, white egrets like marble statues, face to face with eternity. Species of larus, gulls, lost in their own illusions. The great cormorant, Phalacrocorax carbo. Cormorants with the wings stretched over the beautiful illusion of flight. Two-mute swan, Cygnus olor, lost of the age of the ice. Grey heron, Ardea cinerea, frozen in the winter empire, frosting the hopes of those who see it. Who would not want to read his thoughts? Water birds, people of the earth, fire thoughts, and the infinite universe. They all have become statues in this endless winter of cold. Even when birds are flying seem statues, statues of light weighing the meaning of life and the earth. A flight like all the flights, such as walking on the ground, such as swimming in the water, such as digging under the ground. A flight with begin and end.